Welcome back, Brown Beauties, and today is another unboxing of the sheamoisture products that was sent to me by sheamoisture because I am, as well as you know, if you have not watched the first video, I am a sheabassador. So they send us boxes each month to review for you guys, to put on our social media platforms, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. So if you have not seen the first video of the products that I reviewed, I will leave that link up in the top. I will leave an iCard up here for you ladies to watch. But before I get started with showing you guys the second box that was sent to us by sheamoisture, I just want to go ahead really quickly and tell you the products that I really have been using and that I really loved from the first box, and a couple of products that I really don't too much care for. So let me go ahead and run through those really quick for you ladies. So first things first is I'm in love with this product. This product surprised me. So I am in love with the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I have always had a hard time finding a good shampoo by sheamoisture. The only shampoo that has worked for me since sheamoisture has came out, basically, is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. Now this is my all-time favorite shampoo, but this shampoo has topped this one. I am in love with this shampoo, and I am very surprised how this shampoo really allowed me to detangle my hair in the shower. It allowed me to finger detangle it. It allowed my curls and my coils to stay moisturized and hydrated with this product. I am in love with this product. This product is amazing. This product is amazing, guys. This product allowed me to finger detangle my hair, and it allowed my hair to stay hydrated, stay moisturized. It allowed my curls and my coils to pop. It kept my hair moisturized. I am in love with this product. This is the shampoo right here, like I stated. So this is one of my top favorite shampoos from sheamoisture, besides the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo right here. So these are my two all-time favorite shampoos. This is my first one, and this is my second one. So I would definitely tell you ladies to try out this shampoo right here. I do want to try out other products from this line because, hey, I love the shampoo. I probably would get some great results if I use like the conditioner and the other products that comes in this collection, but I love this product as well. So I really do love these two shampoos. Far as the conditioners, these are the conditioners that was sent in the box. I have tried out this product already. I am in love with this product. I have tried out the coconut and hibiscus conditioner before, so I've already tried this out prior because, you know, my holy grail is the curl and enhancing smoothie from this line. So this is a nice product as well, but I really wanted to try this out because I've never tried this product out, and I never tried this line out, and I really do like this conditioner. It gave me a lot of slip. It really moisturized my hair. It really clumped my curls and my coils together. So this is a great conditioner. So I also would give this product a thumbs up along with this one as well. I just did not mention it or, you know, go into too much detail about it because I've already used it before. So I've been using sheamoisture products since the beginning of my hair journey. So it's been over 8 years. So now one of the products that I do not like is this silicone-free Miracle Style Leave-In Treatment. The sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed with marshmallow root. I did not like this product. I do not like spray-in leave-ins. I like my leave-ins to be very thick. I love my products to be very thick in consistency, but not, you know what I'm saying? I really like thick consistency products because I have type 4 hair. So to me, if I have thick products, I know that my hair is going to stay hydrated for a long period of time. It's going to stay moisturized for a long period of time. And with just watery products like this, my hair is just going to suck it up and it's going to be dry the next day. See, all this thick hair, it just doesn't, you know, work wonders on me. It doesn't work wonders on me like it does on her hair. So this product is a no for me. I do use it on my baby girl's hair, and her hair is very finer than mine. Her texture is very, her texture is more curlier and more finer than mine, so this product works wonders on her hair. So I do use this product on my baby girl's hair, so she really do love this product. And they did send a brush. I use that on my wigs. I do not use it on my natural hair. I use the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush on my natural hair. Okay guys, so I'm back, and now let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of the second box of SheaMoisture products. So, ooh, ladies, as you can see, here are all the products that they gave us in the box, and I'm just going to go through these products for you guys. They gave us the Make It Last Coconut Custard. So they give us a pamphlet of all the products, all the key ingredients that we received in this month's box. So I guess this is supposed to be, because it's summer, it's supposed to be wash and go time. I don't really do wash and goes on my hair, but I will try them out on my daughter's hair. But you know, my older two daughters, I keep their hair, you know, I've been doing braids, like box braids, so I keep their hair in box braids. But for my younger daughter, my 2-year-old, I keep her hair in like twist. So I will try these products out on her hair because it's more, you know, feasible for her. So let me go ahead and get started with everything in the box. So first things first is they have the Make It Last Wash and Go Shampoo, Coconut Custard with Cool Butter and Plant Peptides. It's for kinky, curly, coily hair. And it's sulfate free and color safe. So this is supposed to have a low lather cleanser. It's supposed to be a moisturized, rich, sulfate-free shampoo. Gently cleans and detangles hair while laying the foundation for a beautifully defined wash and go. And I'm just reading off the pamphlet, you guys. So next is the Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner. In here it is. I have not smelled it, so let me smell this product for you, ladies. Oh, it smells good. It smells like some lotion. I want to know if you can leave this in. Okay, so you leave it in for 3 minutes and then you can wash it out. But it's not like a conditioner that you can leave in. It just depends on how you want to use the products, but it's a rinse out conditioner. But this is the products right here. It is a creamy custard wash and go conditioner with extra moisturizing formula. It softens and defrizzes hair while creating a beautifully defined curls. So yes. So after that, after you co-wash with this, you use the Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. And here, this is right here. This is to prime the hair for tangle-free and defined curls by aligning strands for easy styling and designed to perform optimally with a wash and go. And so here is the curl primer right here. And the next is the Make It Last Define Gel Oil. Right here. So this is a rich oil that takes curls to the next level with definition and a soft hold. I think all these products will work wonders on my daughter's hair because she has a looser texture than me and my other two daughters. And she has a finer texture than us. So I think these products, this whole collection will work wonders on her hair. And because my youngest daughter is 2, she's not going to sit long for me to do all the twists in her hair that I usually do. It usually takes me about an hour and a half just to do that. But I think this collection will work wonders on her hair because all I have to do is put 2 big sections in her hair and use these products and do a wash and go. I will do a video on that for you ladies just so you can see how the products work on her hair. And the last thing that they sent is the Wash and Go Curl Revival Curl Revival Oil. And here, this is right here. This is to seal in moisture and intensely revive witty curls with the nutrients oil spray. So you use this between washes when you want to revive your curls. You want to, you know, make them look fresh, cute, and neat. You go ahead and spray some of this revival oil on it. what type of oil it has. Coconut oil. I guess it has corn butter. I don't know what type of oil. I see that it has safflower oil. It has grapeseed oil. It has olive oil. It has baobab oil, coconut oil. It has a lot of nice oils in it. Oh, I probably use this on my hair as well because it's just like an oil base. And then they did give us these cute little clips that says Shea Moisture, and I really do love it. So this is the all the products that came in the second box, and these are available at CVS Pharmacy. I did see that some of these products, not all of them, but some of the products are available at Walmart. Some of these are available at Target as well, but most of the products will, the whole collection will be available at CVS Pharmacy. But yeah, that is the second unboxing of my Shea Moisture box, and these are all the products that I have loved and I've used from the first box. Hopefully you guys love this video. Thumbs up this video, share this video, comment down below. Tell me what products you have tried, what products you haven't tried, what products you're going to try, what products you don't like from Shea Moisture. Let's, have a whole conversation down in the comments section about Shea Moisture. Let's get it on and popping in there, girls. Okay, let's go ahead and get it popping. I would love to communicate with you guys about Shea Moisture because I am a Shea Moisture fanatic. I do love their products. So I'm just very excited for the opportunity. Thank you, Shea Moisture, for the opportunity. I'm so ready to get my shirt so, I can boss it on out, That's all for this video. I want to thank you, Brown Beauties, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.